ever wonder how our Earth, the only known planet to sustain life, came into existence? Let's journey back in time, approximately 4.5 billion years ago, to the birth of our home planet. In the cosmic nursery of the solar nebula, a swirling, gaseous cloud of dust and gas, Earth began to take shape. Amidst this chaos, particles started to coalesce, forming a young, molten planet seething with intense heat. This was an Earth unrecognizable to us now, a world of molten rock, glowing red and orange under an atmosphere heavy with volcanic gases. Gradually, over countless millennia, the surface began to cool. The relentless heat gave way to a solid crust, an outer shell on which the first chapters of life's story could be written. This was the groundwork for everything that was to come. So, our beloved Earth started as a hot, molten mass, gradually cooling down to form the solid crust that would eventually support life. From a lifeless, barren planet, how did Earth transform into a cradle of life? This is a question that has puzzled scientists for centuries. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first signs of life began to appear. These were simple, single-celled organisms, the very building blocks of life as we know it. As time passed, these organisms began to evolve, becoming more complex. This evolution led to the emergence of multicellular organisms. It was during the Cambrian period, approximately 540 million years ago, that life truly exploded. The seas teemed with a vast array of creatures, each more unique than the last. Then came the age of the dinosaurs, a time when giant reptiles ruled the earth. These magnificent creatures dominated the planet for over 160 million years before their sudden extinction. Over billions of years, life evolved from simple cells to the diverse array of species we see today. When did the scene stealers, us humans, make our grand entrance? Well, rewind to about 7 million years ago, where the first hominids were making their tentative steps on the African savanna. These early human ancestors were far from the modern Homo sapiens we are today. They were closer to apes, but their journey had begun. Fast forward a few million years, and we see the development of tools, a game changer in the survival playbook. These early humans were no longer just part of the food chain, they were starting to dominate it. As the eons rolled on, we made an even bigger leap. We transitioned from being nomadic hunter-gatherers to settling down and forming agricultural communities. This shift laid the foundation for the dawn of civilization, the birth of societies, cultures, and everything that makes us human. And thus, from the humble beginnings of early hominids, the stage was set for the rise of human civilization. So, how did we get from the first civilizations to the world as we know it today? Let's take a brisk walk through the annals of time. After the first civilizations, human societies witnessed the rise and fall of mighty empires. Each left indelible marks on the tapestry of human history. Then came the scientific revolution, transforming the way we see the world. It was a time when the human mind dared to question, and knowledge became the new currency. This era of enlightenment paved the way for the Industrial Revolution, the birth of modern economics, and a drastic shift in lifestyle. The world wars, though catastrophic, shaped the geopolitical landscape and led to monumental changes in international relations. And then, we embraced the digital age, a time of unprecedented technological advancement that continues to revolutionize our lives. From its fiery birth to the bustling world of today, Earth's history is a saga of constant change and evolution. Who knows what the next chapter holds?